box. What is in the letter box? Let's have a look. It's got some words. Right, well, I guess I'm going to draw this. Mainly because where it's got P, Q, and R, I guess I'm going to want an ABC, because this is not a right angle. There's no hypotenuse in this question. Let's have a look. Previous instruction asked me to put the A where the angle is. B, C. That'll do. That's a little B, that's a little C. From P, what is this? What is the distance straight line from? I've got to put the X somewhere. That's why I'm reading the question suddenly. Got to put the X somewhere. Straight line from P to, across the river from P to R. That would be here. That's where the X is. Now, what rule uses 3 sides and 1 angle? No Freddo Frogs available, but everyone should have just been calling out the cosine rule. I'm using red today a lot. So, cosine rule. I'm finding a side. So I don't want the cos A equals blah, 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 blah. I'm finding a side. It's a side here. B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos A. So X squared goes here. Meters, 63 meters plus 175 meters minus 2 times 63. I'm going to put them in brackets so remember we're multiplying these guys. Cos of 112. Let's nudge that over so make sure we can all see. Okay. Exit. This number should be big because it hasn't been square rooted yet. 63 squared plus 175 squared. Subtract 2 times 63 times 175 times cos 112. Cos 112 equals, and that's a pretty big number, but that's all right. 46494.1 because gone to blue. Now I'm going to go to red because I'm going to highlight the differences. That was x squared has now become x. So I need to do the square root here. Now, much easier to do on the calculator, but I will write it. And let's put our answer there. So, on the calculator, I've got that number. So, shift, square root, shift. I want to use that number there. Answer. Arrow, enter. So, it's 216, maybe 0.8 meters. Yes, meters. 0.8 meters sounds fine. Or even to 217 to the nearest meter due to the nature of the question. Well, nailed that one. What's next? A golfer plays his tee shot. So where does he start? I guess with the capital T. Yep. And he tried to hit it here. However, he went quite a long hit and went to point A. So the distance, the actual distance is 340. He got offline with his tee shot. So his tee shot was there. Offline with his tee shot. Not this shot, but with his tee shot. That's it. So offline, I guess, means the angle away from directly to the flag. Well, I am going to relabel these letters because I want to put an A here. B, C. Because I can already see that this question has 3 sides. I'm going to write it again. 3 sides, 1 angle. And so we're going to use the cosine rule. Now this time I'm looking for an angle. Let me highlight the angle we're looking for. Here. Little a, little b, little c, theta or x or something like that. Here's the rule. Cos A equals B squared plus C squared minus A squared over 2BC. All right. Now for the math. Cos theta equals 340 squared plus 220 squared. Subtract 165 squared. Most common error students are going to make is right there, getting those two mixed up. Divided by 2 times 340 times by 220. Let's get me this number. I like to work out the top line and then the bottom line. 340 squared plus 220 squared. Take 165 squared. 136,775. 2 times 340 times 220. 146900. Next line is cos theta. It goes to shift cos of whatever this slot is going to be. Yep. 3775. 146900. The bottom looks bigger than the top. So 136775 divided by 149600. Okay, shift cos of that number is 23 degrees. Okay, well, which isn't too bad. He was trying to hit here. That's about 20 degrees. Makes a pretty long distance away from the green, right at the other end of the shot, but there you go. Boom.